And turning now to Stormwatch 12 meteorologist Josh Colbert this morning, looking at a beautiful start to our day in Yreka. Not a single cloud in the sky. Is that pretty much what we're going to see throughout our region today?
Yeah, for the most part. We could have a few clouds over on the east side today, but that's really splitting hairs. There's going to be a lot of sunshine up in the sky. We're going to be much warmer than yesterday by about 15 degrees. This would have been perfect Memorial Day weather, but it's better to have this weather, one day late as opposed to never having it at all. 36 degrees in Yreka this morning, so definitely a chilly start down in Siskiyou County, even chillier over on the east side, although compared to yesterday morning, we're actually a little bit warmer by about 5 degrees. Pair of 38s for Christmas Valley and Chemult, right at freezing this morning in Klamath Falls, and 30 degrees for Lakeview, near 40 degrees in our west side valleys of southern Oregon, and we're at 46 degrees this morning in Brookings. The UV index report for today is an 8 out of 10. Lots of sunshine up in the sky. Not a whole lot of clouds to give us any sort of relief, so be sure to put on the sunscreen, because if you don't, your skin could potentially be damaged after 20 minutes of exposure. So for today, there is going to be a lot of exposure of sunlight all throughout the day. We're going to be pretty warm. Again, like I've already mentioned, about 15 degrees warmer than yesterday. We'll be near 70 degrees over on the east side, near 80 degrees for our west side valleys, and 50s and 60s there along the coast. Winds will be coming out of the north today there along the coast, gusting up to 25 miles per hour potentially. And then overnight, this is the second night in a row where there's really not that much to talk about when it comes to the forecast. No winds, very few clouds, and overnight temperatures are going to be a little bit warmer than what we're dealing with this morning. We'll be near 40 degrees over on the east side, near 50 degrees for our west side valleys. It'll be in the upper 40s there along the coast in Curry County. Let's say maybe you want to give the vehicle a bath over the next few days. You're going to have some great weather to do so Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Now, we are introducing some rain chances Thursday and Friday, but those are pretty small chances for showers. The bigger rain chances, not even shower chances, I think rain chances will come on Saturday and Sunday, especially Sunday. Sunday is looking like a washout, so it looks like yet again we're going to have another weekend where we're going to be pretty wet for both days. But until that rain comes along to save us from the pollen will be back in that high count, at least for Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. The top allergens continue to be grasses, amaranth, and oak. Here's your 7-day forecast along the coast. A beautiful day for today, cooling down a little bit into Wednesday and Thursday, more clouds, and then we'll cool down even more into this weekend. The drop-off in temperatures, they're going to be very subtle, but we will have some rain to go along with that final drop-off in temperatures over the weekend. Rain looking pretty likely on Saturday, showers looking pretty likely on Sunday as well. And then for Siskiyou County, we'll also get into that more unsettled pattern over the weekend, and it does look like it's going to be pretty windy on Sunday. And also for the east side, it looks like it'll be windy as well, but thankfully these storm systems are going to be so wet that I don't think we're going to have to deal with any fire danger, but it's always some good food for thought to just think about fire season being declared in Jackson and Josephine counties starting tomorrow. So, of course, anytime we have storm systems with some elevated wind gusts, we always want to keep a very close eye on that, including up in the mountains. But again, these storm systems are going to be so wet that I think those fuels will be just wet enough to where we're not going to have to worry about fire danger, at least over the weekend. And then for the Rogue Valley, a beautiful day today. Clouds build in for Wednesday, small shower chances for Thursday and Friday, and it's looking like it's going to be another wet weekend.
Always happens to fall on our weekends, doesn't it?
It always does work out that way, doesn't it?
Isn't that just something?
Yeah.
It's a coincidence. I would like to ask Mother Nature about that, why she does that to us.
Maybe write her a strongly worded email.
Very strongly worded at this point, but not too strongly worded. We need the rain this time of year, so.
We definitely do. We'll put a PS, thanks for the rain.
Yeah,
by the way.
Thank you so much, but just asking for a friend kind of email.
Maybe just move it to like Wednesday and Thursday.
Yeah, just the middle of the week, that'd be perfect. Thank you, Josh.
Of course.